Euro against US dollar. This week started the week with this bullish candle where the price has continued to rise in value for the rest of the week. We can see that the price has risen above 1.158 resistance level, continued to rise in value, going above this area of resistance 1.168 and then stop it at 1.174. In the next 2 days, we can see the price was trying to move further up, going above this area of resistance, but it was not successful. But we can see that the Friday candle has returned back down, just testing the previous resistance. Now it's now acting as a support and try to move further up, trying to make a bullish breakout. The price could not manage to do that, but the price has formed a bullish candle for the rest of the day, which is also a great signal for the buyers. Weekly time frame, it is completely bullish because the whole week has only bullish candles, and we can see how this looks. It looks very bullish and there is more opportunities to rise in value. On the monthly time frame, which means we have one more day until this month closes, we can see that the price is still targeting higher price levels, and where the price could go after this month, it will probably target the next level as a resistance. It will be around this area here and here. So it will be around this area 1.188 and also 1.19, where also this trend line will act as a resistance. So this will be the target for the next month. Now, regarding the weekly and the daily time frame, everything is still bullish, and we can see how the price is behaving, targeting higher price levels. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to do that. But also remember that after the weekend closes, there could be a gap, like in this example, we can see that here. So it's very important to stay outside and wait until the Monday closes, so we can see how the market will react over the weekend and what will be potential direction in the rest of the week. We can see that on a Monday, after this gap has been created and closed, the price has ended the day with strong bullish candle. After that, the market has moved the rest of the week in the same direction. Will it happen this time? This is something that we need to watch closely, especially 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame are the levels, and also the time frames that showing us a smaller scale levels, which also can sometimes, when the breakout happens, can show direction for the rest of the day. So for example, in this case, we can see this bullish breakout has shown that we will move further up, and after that the price continue to rise in value. These breakouts that form on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, like also in this one, in this example, will be shared inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so feel free to check the link and also join if you would like to join other traders to receive these updates, where you get also a stop loss level, take profit level, entry level, and everything that is needed when this breakout happens, and also to be successful. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.